Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this unit is out of a 71 Lincoln Mark III. It's sent in by Shane from Lexington, Oregon, and Shane's trouble was that he had to hold the tape in place to get it to play, and the reason for that is because these Ford Mark III units have this really strange eject circuit that is kind of troublesome, and in this customer's case, the eject solenoid itself is bad. The only source for another solenoid is a similar unit. Needless to say, you're not going to find a new one anywhere. So I just did a little bit of a changing around here since we don't have a solenoid. I just reworked the mechanism to where you don't have the eject feature anymore because it doesn't work anyway. You just have to push the tape in and pull it out by hand. Now it is a little bit harder to pull out than most players, but you can get in there. I'm a pretty small guy, so if I can pull it out, other people can. So let's go ahead and turn this unit on.
We've had on the show in the past, Joe Duffy, our town finance director. He can boil down.
And we'll just take a quick look at our output, make sure we have all four of our speakers. We're going to turn our fader to front only.
You have the same gift.
Now on the Mark III unit, the fader control only adds rear speakers. It does not take away the fronts. And then of course our balance control, left only, right only.
Informative, but entertaining as well. You have a lot of fun.
Okay, and now we can try a tape.
That aspect of your business. Before.
Okay, we know we got all four speakers, so get rid of that. Whoops. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Okay, gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, that little cutting out, that's my fault. That's the way. That's the damage I've done to this test tape over the months. Okay, we're gonna wait a little while for this next song to start here. There we are. Okay, gonna pull the tape out. It's not too hard to pull.
And really,
a little harder than usual. Okay, now we're just going to make sure that the dial light still works, which you probably won't be able to see in this light. I'm going to disconnect that, and we're just going to apply this power instead to the dial lamp. And yep, I can see it lighting up, and you can barely see it. Let me see if I can shade this area a little bit, make it a little bit more evident. Yeah, you can just barely see it flashing on and off when I connect and disconnect it. So, okay, everything's good on her. She's ready to go back, and this little fix I've done on the eject is probably going to be a new, yet another modification from Barry's 8-Track Repair, since it's a pretty constant thing. You know, when you work on 50-year-old equipment, you run into a lot of situations where you just can't get the parts are not available. So you have to make something in its place, and so that's been one of my foremost talents over the years. Is I'm a born fabricator, more or less, and I make a lot of parts that I can no longer get. So in this case, I was able to fix the eject function, and it's working real well. Let's try it again just for fun. Oh, too late. I already disconnected everything, so you'll just have to settle for that last test as proof that the unit works. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I also do FM conversions on this type of unit. Basically, pretty much any classic car AM radio, I can add FM to, Bluetooth, USB reader, even HD radio now, aux input. Who knows what else by the time you're ready to send your unit in for service. So my website is in the description below. My phone number is 928-533-9666. That's for paying repair or conversion customers only. This is not a number to call looking for a belt or a part. There's no such thing as a magical 8-track store that has all the 8-track parts you ever need. I'm pretty much the closest thing to that. And my only customer is my paying repair customers. I don't sell off my parts. Sorry, guys. So, thanks for watching and listening. We'll see you guys next time.